What's up YouTube, John Wheels, and today we're going to be resuming part 5 of the Murray-ish Go Kart. And just to let you know, my cousins were over when I was doing this, so if there's any footage I had, I'll give it to you. Alright, so I just got the axle back from my Uncle Paul, so thank you very much. So now we have to grind the keyway so our sprocket will fit on right. I also want to thank my cousin Xander for helping me out with this go-kart project. Now I have to grind the axle to get the sprocket to slide on easier. Are you kidding me? It's backwards again.
Again? We did that again?
I can't believe we've done that like
3 times.
Not
the
one.
boy.
At this point, we decided to use the car jack from our minivan. Are you filming? Thanks for watching. This is John Wheels. Remember to like and subscribe and comment below to tell me what you thought. Stay tuned because next video we're building the seat, and the video after we get to take a test ride.